stenographer takes down dictation using notebook and a pencil. So these people can't see that there is a particular code which we use for taking down dictation. So using those shorthand symbols, they take down dictation. And after the dictation is over, normal people read it and they type it on computer or transcribe it on typewriter or whatever. So similar kind of training we give here. Only the difference is that they won't be able to use notebook and pencil, and they can't use the normal shorthand code which you people use. So further we have got shorthand signs which are based on dots. So Braille, that is Braille script. So Braille is a script which is based on 6 dots. So using the same 6 dot model, they have prepared signs which are internationally recognized. Suppose I want to write dear sir, so I won't write DEAR, SIR and all that. So I will write only DS. So there are thousands of short forms like that. So they have to prepare the short forms, and as the dictation goes on, they take down the dictation using those signs. So for taking down they use a Braille shorthand machine and a tape. Now he has put a tape on the machine, and as they write, the tape moves ahead. So they don't have to change line or they don't have to change paper. It writes continuously, and it is light in use, so they don't have to press hard or something. So they can continuously write. After the dictation is over, they roll their tape and then they read it. Because it is in Braille, there is no problem, they can independently read. And as they learn shorthand, at the same time they are also taught how to type on computer. Entire computer syllabus, right from starting computer up to they learn Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, then the basic internet also, how to read and write mails. All those things are covered in their syllabus. And further they have got a screen reader on the computer. So whatever is displayed on the computer, they don't have to depend on sighted person to know what comes on the screen. So they will get an audio output. There is synthesized voice through which they come to know what is happening on the screen. Not only what they type, but also what, supposing there are dialog boxes or message boxes or whatever, everything will be spoken out to them. So they can operate the computer. They won't be able to use mouse. They operate the computer with the help of keyboard commands. So they will type on the computer. After taking down here, they will go there, they will type, they will format their document, they will save, then we will correct their document, and they, in that way they keep on proceeding ahead and ahead. So everyone, they have got their monthly test, gradually their speed goes on increasing. This is a course which is recognized by ITI, the Technical Board of Maharashtra, and those people issue certificates for this training. They only prepare question papers. Their exam is conducted in the month of April, and the successful trainees get certificate through the board only. So at the end of the year, they are able to take down 80 words per minute on this machine, and they are able to type 40 words per minute on computer. So even different statistical formats, letters, everything, whether it is in English or Marathi, they can type independently. This is a course of 1 year duration. Basically, the person should be minimum SSC pass, and he should have the knowledge of Braille. Before coming here, they should know Braille, which most of them know because they come from blind schools. So here they learn the shorthand code and how to take down dictation and how to use computer. If they want, they can also avail of MSCRT facility. Along with this course itself, they can take admission for MSCRT. Here itself, it is a recognized MSCRT center. So they can avail of that facility also. During this 1 year program itself, they can complete MSCRT. So that certificate also they will get. So this is how we undertake we train them. Apart from that, we also keep some English grammar classes to improve their language, because language is the main thing. If they are good in language, they are successful. Many of our trainees are working in government offices. Some are working in sales tax, then Mantralaya. Many 2-3 people just now they got selected for MPSC. They are working in Mantralaya. So English also, there are people working in banks. They are working as computer operators, stenographers, clerks, and all that. So computer has opened a new area for them, because earlier when they used to type on typewriter, if they commit any mistake, they would not know that, because they can't read what comes on the paper. Now when they type on computer, there is a screen reader. So if they make a mistake, they will come to know that they have typed something wrong. शेती क्षेत्र उल्लेखनीय प्रगति केली आहे. Okay, now if he writes everything letter by letter, it will take very long time. So he has used some symbols, and using those signs they take down, then they can read it and they type it on computer. Now what's the
भारताने आज
बरोबर आहे वाच.
भारताने आज शेती क्षेत्रात उल्लेखनीय प्रगती केली आहे.
So like that they read, then they can read, depending on their memory, they can read half of a sentence or full sentence, and they type it on computer. To improve their typing speed, we also directly give them dictation on computer, so that their keyboard operation and all that finger manipulation is improved, so their speed increases. So this is how we conduct the course. If you want to know anything more.
कॉम्प्युटर ट्रेनिंग सेंटरमध्ये आणि कॉम्प्युटरमध्ये आपलं नॉर्मल कॉम्प्युटर असतो, म्हणजे आपण कॉम्प्युटर यूज करतो ऑफिसमध्ये घरामध्ये, तोच कॉम्प्युटर असतो. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये एक जॉस नावाचं सॉफ्टवेअर असतं, JWS जॉस. हे जॉस सॉफ्टवेअर बसवला की संपूर्ण कॉम्प्युटर बोलतो, एक शब्द बोलणार, वाक्य बोलणार, परत पॅरेग्राफ बोलणार. आणि कीबोर्ड काय यूज करू शकतो, त्याला माऊस यूज करू शकत नाही, कारण माऊसमध्ये त्याला समजलं नाही ते कुठे गेलं आहे. पण तरी कीबोर्डचं कुठले बटन दाबलं त्याला समजलं त्यामुळे कॉम्प्युटर यूज करू शकतो. आणि MSCIT परीक्षा पण चालू करतात. MSCIT देण्यासाठी त्यांना 3000 रुपये भरायला लागतात, म्हणून ते परीक्षा देऊ शकतात. ते फक्त MSCITचं शिकवायला आले, त्याला आपली घेऊन जातात ते.
प्रेशर आणि मसाज या विषयाबद्दलची जी टेक्निक्स आहेत ती विविध आजारांवर आपण त्याचा उपयोग करू शकतो, विविध डिसऑर्डर्सवर आपण कंट्रोल ठेवू शकतो. ती जी टेक्निक्स असतात ती या मुलांना, जी अंध मुलं आहेत, दृष्टीहीन आहेत, त्यांना ही टेक्निक्स शिकवली जातात, की जेणेकरून आपल्या स्पर्शज्ञानाद्वारे ही मुलं टेक्निक्स आत्मसात करतात आणि त्याऐवजी विविध आजारांवर ज्या आवश्यक उपचार पद्धती आहेत ही मुलं वापरतात. आणि बाहेर या मुलांना बऱ्याच ठिकाणी प्रायव्हेट क्लिनिक्स आहेत, मसाज सेंटर्स आहेत किंवा हल्ली स्पा आहेत, शॉपिंग मॉल्स आहेत, तिथे या मुलांना एम्प्लॉयमेंट खूप चांगल्या पद्धतीने मिळते. शिवाय ही मुलं सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट जी म्हणतो ती सुद्धा या क्षेत्रामध्ये काम करून खूप चांगला स्कोप आहे सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये जास्त इन्स्ट्रुमेंटची पण गरज लागते आणि स्वतःच्या पायावर मुलं चांगल्या पद्धतीने उभं राहू शकतात आणि चांगल्या प्रकारे कमवू शकतात.
the rural area at a distance of 20 feet, this technical or without technicals. This patient are not been prescribed the glasses. in most of the hospitals and the clinics. They say you are a legally blind, so the spectacles won't help you. Whereas in a Dogen's center, even the person not able to draw a letter, or you can see up to distance of 3 feet or 5 feet. And with the normal correction of the glasses, it can see from 5 feet to 10 feet or 15 feet. That help in his mobility to recognize the face at a distance of 10 feet distance. That means he does not have to depend on somebody else or lose his job. He can go back to his job. Same thing, there are other devices. This is a telescope, with the help of which the child is not able to see the blackboard from the first bench. With the help of this, he can see from the last bench blackboard clear. So he does not have to go to the blind school. He can go back to the normal school. Same senior citizen who is not able to watch the TV. With this help, he can watch the TV, bus indicators, and airports, or the going into the theaters, sightseeing. You can just hold it this way. Nobody won't know it. Even on the bus stand, you have to just do it this way. You can see far. Only disadvantage that you can't walk with this. Sit in one place or stand, you can see the far. Most of the thing that is not labeled as a blind, and the depression what he gets when you heard this word, that is not there. Second thing is for reading purpose. There are different devices there. Here you can adjust it at what distance you can see. See, at what distance you can see more clearly. Normally, here in the clinic at your place, even a small child comes from 5 years old or 3 years old to 90. Even they are prescribed these thick glasses. You can see the thickness of this. It can break that nose bone. So especially for these people, they have got the high index glasses. It is very comparatively with the very thin they are. So even small child can use this, wear it and bring the literature close to their eye and do the reading. So again, they are not handicapped or depend somebody read it to them or fill the form, do their homework. They can do independently. Stand magnifier. If you go to the telephone section, you will see that one CCTV is there. Some more than 10-15 years we used to get that type of CCTV. Now this is a video magnifier, which is much more smaller and portable. You can easily keep it in your pocket. Increase the size, change the contrast. And if you want to do the writing also, you can keep a pen or something and fill the format of the writing. So these are some of the devices which we mostly prescribe. Make them independent, so does not depend on somebody else, and all these checkups are done free of cost. Either mouth-to-mouth canvassing is much more than the required by the doctors and hospitals, and we get the patient not only from Maharashtra, out of Maharashtra we are getting each. Some of the devices which are this around 1,000 rupees cost. These are also given free to the patient. Except this video magnifier and the telescope, which costs around more than 15,000. So we are looking for some donors who can help us, so we can serve more and more needy people here. And the counseling has to be done on these people who do it for further integrated education. A child who comes at the age of 15 or 20 years, he has left his school in 5th standard. So with the help of integrated education and brain, he can do again his graduation or his secondary. And for vocational training also, we try to help them in different trades so that they will be